In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Festive 6-7 code for free here in Roblox Steal A Brainrot. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But obviously the first thing that you're going to want to do is get loaded into Steal A Brainrot here on Roblox. And as you can see just from this menu, there is a ton of festive themed items here in this. And that's obviously where that Festive 67 comes in. When you go ahead and get in, make your way into the Roblox shop. And when you open it, you will see the Festive 67 in here. It shows limited quality DLC included, and for most people it will say sold out like it is for me. But you'll also see the option, if you scroll down, to actually enter in a code. This is where you're going to go ahead and put this in. Now there's two different ways that you can enter in to get this code. The first way is through me. I am going to be doing a giveaway on this. Just make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. And if you comment down Festive 67 in the comment section below, I'm going to go ahead and reach out to one of you guys and give you my code. But on top of that, and I'm going to back out real quickly so you can go ahead and see this without me losing any of these brain rots. You can open up a web browser on any sort of device. It doesn't really matter what you're doing, whether it's a PC, phone, console browser, it doesn't matter. And you're going to want to go to playsab.com and hit enter. And this is the official Steal A Brainrot page. Accept the cookies once you do get on here. And you'll see the Festive 67 listing there as well. It usually will also say sold out, so keep that in mind. But this is the official place where codes do become available. Whenever the codes restock, they'll be delivered via email after processing, so keep that in mind. You're just going to go to this page right here and you'll see that email DLC in here. But it really is as simple as that. That is how you could get Festive 67 here in Steal A Brainrot. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.